Hey, one and all, glad you're here to read again. Let's take a look at these three words. I want you to tell me, when you look at them, what are some things that you can see in common or some things that are the same about these three words. They begin with P, they end with R, and they all have 4 letters. There is something else that is very special about these three words. If you do not know them, then you would not know that special thing. So let's go ahead and let's learn these words. Let's song them out. Number 1. E-A-R together says air. Air. So we are only going to hear one sound from these 3 letters. Let's go ahead together and blend the songs. Air, 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 pear, pear. Let's go ahead and call number 2. E-E-R also says air, air. Let's go ahead and blend the songs together. Air, air, pear, pear. Okay, I see that you are noticing something else. Let's go to number 3. Air, 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 pear, pear. Okay, go ahead. Let's hear you say what you have noticed. Okay, they all sound the same. Yes. Number 1 says pear. Number 2 says pear. And so does number 3. It says pear. Alright, so we have learned that E-A-R makes the sound air. So does E-E-R make the sound air. And A-I-R together also makes the sound air. Now, these 3 words, they sound the same, but they are spelled different. So, as we notice, the letters are different in the word. So let's go ahead now and let's see what heading we'll give to these words. Words that sound the same, but they're spelled different. What do we call them? Homophones. So, homo means same, and phone, just like you would speak on your phone and hear that sound, phone is talking about the sound. So, homo, same, and phone, sound, same sound. But they are spelled differently. And so, they mean something different. So let's now go ahead and let's see what each of them mean. This one with E-A-R, what should we match it to? Should we match it to number 1, where we have a pair, as in when you have 2 things together that are the same or alike, or 2 things that would go together? Or would we match it to number 2, the fruit pear, or to number 3, when you have persons of the same age group or friend group? Which one will you match it to? Number 2, that's it. So, pear with E-A-R is for the fruit. How about the one with E-E-R? This pear is number 3. When you have that friend group or people of the same age, you would call them your peers. And number 3 now, A-I-R. And this air is like the air as in the air that we breathe. We're going to automatically match it to number 1 when you have two things together that are the same or alike. Also, EAR, this is like the air as in your body part that you use to listen. Okay, guys, so you have learned 5 words. You have learned the word pear with EAR. You have learned that if you take off the p sound, you can have the word air as in your body part. And we have learned the word air as in when you have a friend group or people of the same age. And finally, we have learned the word pair as in when you have two things that are the same or alike or two things that goes together. And from that, if we take off the p sound, then we can have the word air as in the air that we breathe. All right, so what are these words called again? Homophone. Homophones. Good. So homo means the same and phone, sound. But remember, they are spelled different. So tell me, do you think when you read these words again, you would know or understand what you're reading because you know which one means what? Do you think you'll be able to? I hope you have said yes. All right. So let me thank you so much for being here today, and I would see you again in the next video. Don't forget to practice, practice.